arrived. We got the Eahora. It is in pristine condition. Got the replacement parts for this tank cover. We had a big old scratch right there on delivery, and we had a broken piece right here. Shipping damage happens sometimes, but it is a sign of a good seller if they ship you the broken parts and follow up and make it good. This machine is beautiful now and nice and spiffied up. She's already, I came home, she already had the parts put on it. It was pretty easy. A few Phillips on this side and a few hex bolts on the other side. Easy peasy. And she's already been out riding it today. So thank you from Eahora for following through and getting us the parts we need and making this new machine look new.